Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to setting exposure on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom apps, and after this, in here you can add the photo that you want to edit, or you can export first your photo. And in here I finished to export the photo, this one. And then now I wanna setting the exposure, so you just click on the like at the bottom, click on the like, and then in here you can see exposure. You can swipe left or right this icon. This is like this, or you can setting that you maybe like this, maybe like this. Okay, and after this, in here you can go back and finish. So that how to setting exposure on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.